How to update Instagram on Android. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to guide you on how you can update the Instagram app on Android, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you want to update the Instagram app on Android, first of all just make sure that you're connected to an internet connection, to a reliable internet connection first of all, because without the internet connection you will not be able to update it. Now there might be many reasons for you to update, maybe because the Instagram app is not working properly, it's not functioning properly for some reason, then an update might most likely fix it. So to update it, you simply want to open your Play Store and then simply search for Instagram and then tap on the first app, which is this app over here. If you see an update button there, it means it requires an update, so just tap on the update button there to update it to the recent version. If you don't see an update button and if you only see the open button, then it means that it is already updated to the latest version, so in that case there is nothing that you should worry about. So hope this video helped you. If you have got any more questions, queries or doubts, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon as always in the next video.